See, this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. The frizz right here. Like, I shouldn't be seeing that. Especially not with a stronger hold gel. Like, what is going on? Hey y'all, it's Carlin. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, we are definitely doing another wash and go today. And today what we are using is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Anti-Frizz Nanotechnology Heat and Humidity Gel. I know that's a lot, but that's just what it say on here. So, and y'all know last week, I think it was last week, I used a humidity gel, and we just want to see if this one will work just as good. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna leave some of my hair in this because I just don't want it to dry. It's a little warm in here and I just don't want it to dry up too quick. And my hair is already detangled, moisturized, and all that stuff. I'll leave everything that I use in the description box. And so then now it's just time to put it in our hair. Just the gel. We're not using anything else, just this gel. So this gel does claim to lock out humidity, define curls, and it says it's a stronger hold. So we're gonna see if that's really the case. And I am gonna be using, y'all hold on, it's just stuff just fell everywhere. All right, so now we are back. So like I was saying, and I am gonna use my dimming brush for that's what I use to detangle, and I'm just gonna use it on the ends of my hair because like I said, my curls have been needing some help in the clump department. So I'm gonna probably be using it for at least the next few months, probably just yeah, just so I can make sure my curls are where they need to be. And we know how that dimming brush is. It's gonna give you like a good define. I'm thinking maybe I should do a little bit smaller section because I just put the gel in my hair, but if y'all can see, like, I still have like a lot of frizz, and I just added some more gel to this part because it's just still so frizzy. So hopefully just adding, you know, hopefully adding a little bit more gel can eliminate some of that frizz that we don't want. Some frizz is good, but you know, you just want that like good medium of like frizz and definition. At least that's what I like. One thing I will say though is that it smells really good. So y'all, I just finished this one whole section. Hold on, wait, gotta make sure I do these ends with the dimming brush. There we go. So I just finished this one whole section, and this is how it looks. Of course, we already know the dimming brush helped define the ends a little bit, but the way the rest of this is looking right here, I just don't know. It's still looking like really, you know, frizzy. Like, I want it to look a little bit more tame than this. That's how I'm usually used to gels doing my hair, especially a gel that claims to be a stronger hold. It says it's for all curl types too, but let me not speak too soon because I tend to do that sometimes. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. The frizz right here. Like, I shouldn't be seeing that, especially not with a stronger hold gel. Like, what is going on? I'm starting to lose hope already, as always. Even with this side, I'm trying to take a little bit smaller sections to see if that can do anything. Hopefully, you know, it can. All right, so halfway check-in to see how everything is going along. So I just finished this side, and then, you know, I just finished this one like maybe like 5 seconds ago. Like, it didn't take long to do these sections, but as you can see, this one is looking so much better. So this one I took a little bit smaller sections, and I feel like the frizz is a little bit, you know, like a little bit more tamed on this side because you can, there's like a very slight difference. This one, I felt like after I did the dimming brush on it, like the curls like at the end kind of went away, so I just did like one big curl at the end, as you can see, looking nice and juicy. Can y'all see that? But this side looks really, really, really good. So I'm thinking I kind of want to like go back over this side and do like smaller section, because like I said, there's like a little bit too much frizz. Like if you see this section right here on this side, like that's where I'm seeing the most of the frizz, mainly closer to the root. But if you look on this side, there's just a little less frizz on this side. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but just a slight difference. So yeah, I'm gonna go over this side just really quick one more time with just a little bit more of that gel. So I feel like this is just a little bit more better. Like I said, I didn't go as heavy on the gel the second time I used it, of course, because it's still in there. So I just added just a tad bit more, and now I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Bond Repair Oil and Serum. Like, I love this stuff. I feel like this actually might work a little bit better than that Shea Moisture Bond Repair Oil. So yeah, I've been using this for like 4 or 5 months or something, and yeah, I've been loving it. It smells like a citrus fruit, and if you've ever used the Shea Moisture one, you know it's like very lightweight, but this one is an oil and serum, so it's just a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see it, but that's how slow it's running down my hand. So that's, you know, a little bit better to see, you know, how thick it is. So I'm just gonna go run this over mainly in this part, because I don't want to disturb, you know, all the goodness the Denman brush just did. So yeah, that's how the Denman brush has the curls, and this is this part, and that's, like I said, that's the part that I focus putting the oil and serum on. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, because we want to try to, you know, seal in everything. All right, so that's how we're looking. It's actually looking pretty good, y'all, but I still don't know. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go over really quick what I think, because I'm actually a little sad right now and I don't even really feel like doing this, but I thought it was best to get it over with. So there's just a lot more frizz in it than I would like. I always say I don't mind frizz, but this is just a lot. Like, this part, you know, a gel for me usually can tame the frizz a little bit better, but this just has so much frizz right here, as you can see here, and you know, there's a lot on this side. It's just a little bit, just a tad bit more than I would like, especially for a gel that's claiming to be a stronger hold. It says that it's supposed to be a humidity gel, but it's just like my hair is already, you know, frizzed up, so I don't see, like, you know, like, what is it really gonna be helping? Like, the frizz is already in it, so it's already puffy. So yeah, and I don't feel like there was like a strong cast, and I don't feel like it was like a strong hold gel either. So I mean, would I use this gel again? I don't know, because the curls actually do look pretty good and defined. I only use the Denman brush on this part, but there's pretty good definition throughout my hair, but like I said, just a little bit too much frizz, and so I don't even know if I would really use this again. Probably not, because I've already used the Miche humidity gel and I really like that one. So if this one doesn't work as good as that one, I don't really see the need of using this one again. But if you didn't like the Miche gel, maybe you could try this one and see if maybe you would like this one a little bit better, because the Miche one does have a really strong hold, but this one is a little bit softer hold. So if you think that one is a little bit just too much of a hold, then this one has a little bit softer of a hold if you like that softer hold. So of course you would probably like this one better. But y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. Please let me know in the comments that you're here and that you watched. Just leave a little emoji or a hi and I will send you one back. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'm so close to 1K and I'm really trying to get to 1K. So just join the family, help support, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.